This is a tutorial on how to adjust the brightness for your espresso display. I'm going to be showing you how to do this on our Light 15, however the steps are exactly the same for all of our displays. The first thing you're going to want to do is have our espressoFlow app downloaded. You can find this on our website at espresso. Then click on Downloads, and this will take you to the software page where you can download the right software for Apple or Microsoft devices. It's free to download, and once you have that set up, you can go ahead and open the espressoFlow app. This will bring up a tab that looks like this. From here, all you need to do is click on the display that you have connected, and it will bring up a brightness bar. You can drag the brightness up or down to the desired brightness level. That is all of the steps. So if you're still having trouble adjusting your brightness, feel free to reach out to our support team and we can help you with that.